Hello everyone, this is KinCony IoT. In this video, I will tell you how to use this HomeKit to control the light on and off. But this time we will use the wireless gateway to send the RF signal to control this RF switch panel, like this, and this. I will tell you how to use this RF switch instead of this traditional switch. This is older version, and this is smart. How to this replace of this? We will look at how to do, and how to use the Node-Red drive the diagram for HomeKit to control the smart home gateway send the RF signal. Okay, let's begin. We can see this hardware we will use. This is our Wi-Fi smart home gateway, and this is the Raspberry Pi 4, and this is the smart switch that use RF signal. RF means radio frequency, and this is the older version. That's the traditional switch panel. We will use the Node-Red to create the diagram. Use the HomeKit. Use the HomeKit to send RF signal to the switch for on and for off to control the light. So let's begin to how to do that with the Node-Red. At the Node-Red, just this node, it's very easy. I think just can make this a window. So this is the HomeKit node. The HomeKit node, we just choose the service and the type, the module, the type, and the name, and the pin code. It's easy, just like last video, we have make many Node-Red video about the HomeKit, so you can see details on our past videos. And the switch just only judgment the on property of the HomeKit node, whether true and off, and go to V1 and go to V2. And this is a function, and this is a function. These two functions will send command. This command I will tell you why use this later. Now we just know send a command. This is for on command, and this is for off command. And this is our gateway's IP address. Use the TCP out. This one use the TCP out. TCP out, we can connect to the port and the IP address. So it's also very easy. We can already understand the IP and the port. So the important, we need to send the on command and the off command. So we just open our website. You can visit KinCony's website. Then you can see this gateway's protocol. We will find and search how to send the RF signal. And in this way, software and document. And find the KC868G Wi-Fi smart home controller protocol. And open it. We can enlarge. This is our protocol. It's all use stream. It's easy to understand. This is infrared remote control. Last video we have used how to control your device by the infrared remote. And this time we need to use this command, RF device control. This is our demo, how to send the signal. Because our gateway uses EV1527 format, the wireless format signal. So this EV1527 is a wireless standard. It's commonly used. So we can see how to send the command. Just send this string. Just send this string. The 288 just fixed, not changed, and the 3 is also not changed because it is a register we have used. 3.3 not changed. Just only need to change this date. We can send the information. This date is we send the RF information, and this date is consistent with the date and the address. The two parts we have already calculated, so it will have this 9-bit number. You will not need to know why have this number. Just you can use a 9-bit number. For different number, just send a different signal. So we can copy this to our Node-Red. You can double click. Then you can see I have already copied to this position. This last two number is 6 and 1. Also, we can copy this string at this way, but I have changed the last number. This is 62. So the on is send the last number is 61 channel, and this off signal is last two number is 62. So there are two different signals. If you want to send the third, the fourth, the fifth, just change the number. And also you can change any bit of the number, just a different number, you will send the different signal. So we can send many channel signal to the switch or to the other wireless IF device. So it's very easy to understand. When you complete just this note, you can press the deploy. Then we can use the HomeKit. Find this button have been created. Just when I press on and I press off, he will send two different signals. Just the gateway will send two kinds of signal. Okay, let's see this smart switch. This is for L1, L2, and L9. So there is RF module inside. We will use this switch panel instead of the traditional switch panel. This is for control 2 light. And also we will use this one instead of this. Just to use the touch screen for control the lamp on and off. So let's look at how to do we replace with this switch with this new one. This is air condition panel, and this is wall switch panel. The first, we will remove this older one. We remove the frame. And this is 2 light, so we can see 3 L line. This is L1, L2, and the L for this 2 switch. Now we will use this new one, the smart switch, and also use the old L1, L2, and L line connect with this label have noted. Now we have installed the 3 line. You can see it like this. We will inside. Now is finished. Now our power on the brick. We can try to turn on the light and turn off the light. Okay, when we finish the Node-Red, we can use the HomeKit can send the signal. So we let the switch know which is my send on signal and which I have sent the off signal. I need to let it to understand me. So we just use a instruction for this switch to clear the memory of the command, and we can learn the signal command. You can, according to the README files, a different switch panel maybe have different learning way. So we can do this. First, clear all the memory. Okay, now we need to learn the on signal. So we just press. Okay, when we press on, it will be learned. And we read the off signal. We press, the light will off. Now, D, we press off signal. Okay, now the study is complete. We just press on and press off. I can close my camera light. Then you can see clearly. We can press on, and my light is on, and press off, and my light is off. Also, it has the indicate LED. Okay, now you can see clearly. This is the air condition, and this is our light have installed. We just press HomeKit on, it will be on, and we press off, and it will be off. So we can send the on signal to them and send the off signal to them. It's very easy to understand. Okay, now you can use the Node-Red to send a one channel wireless IF signal. I think you can create many signals to send your wireless device to receive. Just your receive board, it can learn the IF signal. I think you can control many devices for different applications. You can use your ideas, create many projects. Thanks for watching.